Hi, I'm Spencer Ford, Director of Metallic Machining and Additive Manufacturing at McLaren Racing. We came with a clear directive of trying to highlight what we do in operational side of the business. I think the other side of the business, design, racing the car, is very clear, but manufacturing the car, not so much. And we knew lots of youngsters and people from universities were coming, looking for their next step on the career, and we really wanted to share career opportunities at McLaren Racing. So this is the first time we've tried this approach, but we think it's been really successful. Met lots of great people, really interested in coming and understanding more about the careers that we can offer. So I think, yeah, it's been really, really good for us. And hopefully we'll be looking to book for MACH 2026.